And the Today Success Academy will start in 1 minute. Please
우리
double
몸의
check your
균형을
sound system
맞춰주고
and
다양한
camera angle.
병원균으로부터
Thank you so
우리를
much.
지켜주는
Today's
면역력.
event will start in 1 minute.
코로나19 등 각종 바이러스성 질환이 증가하면서 면역력에 대한 관심도 높아지고 있다. 우리 인체는 외부에서 세균, 병균, 바이러스 등이 침입했을 때 스스로 방어하고 유해물질을 제거하는 능력을 갖추고 있다. 병원균이 몸에 들어왔을 때 스스로 이겨내고 건강한 상태로 돌리는 힘. 바로 면역력이다. 정상적인 사람이라면 면역 시스템을 갖고 있다. 그러나 문제는 아프기 전까지는 면역력이 제 기능을 하고 있는지 느낄 수 없다는 것이다. 우리 몸을 구성하는 약 60조의 세포 중 2조 정도를 차지하고 있는 면역세포. 무게로는
Thank you for coming to today's Atomies event. Thank you for coming to today's Atomy Success Academy.
이상 새롭게 만들어지는데 면역세포가 쉬지 않고
And
일을 해주기 때문에
this video is about for
건강한
the
생활을 할수 있는
informing
것이다.
all the people and people in Korea and also for people in overseas is about immunity and immune system.
B세포는 병원체에 대한 항체를 생성하는 역할을 한다. 그리고 우리에게 잘 알려진 자연 살해 세포인 NK세포는 면역 조절 물질을 분비해 비정상 세포나 세균 등을 발견하면 공격하는 역할을 한다. 즉, 암세포만 찾아내어 파괴하는 것이다.
면역계는 세균, 바이러스, 기생충 같은 미생물에 감염되지 않도록 저희 몸을 보호해줍니다. 면역계의 기능 이상으로 인해 자기 자신의 조직을 공격하여 특정 장기 염증과 손상을 일으키는 자가 면역 질환이 면역세포 이상으로 나타나는 대표적인 질환이고요. 알러지나 천식 등 과민 반응을
And this
일으키기도
causes the
합니다.
allergies and other types of disease.
면역세포가 제
And
기능을
when
하지
immune
못하는
cells
것,
are not functioning,
그것은 면역 기능이
and you can
떨어졌다는
see
신호다.
this person is going through a very hard time and
이렇듯
this other
면역 기능의
patient
저하가
is very sick
우리
at
몸을
the same
병들게
time.
하는 주요
And our
원인이
immune
되면서
system is very
면역 기능에
important
도움을
and this
주는
becomes
건강기능식품에
one
대한
of our main
관심도
priorities
높아지고
and
있다.
for our lives and also Atomy concentrates on as well.
식품의약품안전처는
Ministry of
면역
Food
관련
and Drug
건강기능식품
Safety
기능성
has
원료를
authorized 10 official
2020년
types,
기준
as you can see
고시형
on this
10종과
paper.
개별
And this is
인정형
official paper
21종을
and
허가하고
21
있다.
types of individual recognized ingredient type.
이 중 면역 기능과 관련된
Among
기능성
these
원료는
functions
개별
and types and
인정형과
categories,
고시형으로
this
나뉘게
is
된다.
divided into the individual
개별 인정을 받기
recognized
위해서는
ingredients, and in order
원료의
to be
안전성,
individually
기능성,
recognized, the
기준과
data
규격
about
등의 자료를
standard and
제출하고
also the other
관련
types of
규정에
testing
따른
have
평가를
to go
통과해야만
through and
기능성 원료로 인정받을 수 있다. 그렇다면 면역 기능
So
개선에
how is
도움을
this
줄 수
healthy
있는
functional food
건강기능
that can
식품은
help
어떻게
improve
만들어지는
the immune
것일까?
system made?
1997년
The
한국
Advanced
원자력 연구원
Radiation
첨단
Research Lab in
방사선
Korean
연구소
Atomic Energy
식품생명공학
in
연구팀은
1997, the Food and
암 환자들이
Research team
방사선
had
치료
come
후
together and gathered
급격하게
together and
면역력이
collected all the
떨어지는 것을
data
보고
and came up with this
면역력을
idea
높일 수 있는
and
방법을
created all
연구하게
the
된다.
products to increase immune system.
연구원에 보면
The
크게 보면
Nuclear
두 가지
Research
파트예요.
Institute
하나는
has two major
전력
concepts.
생산 부분
One
하나 있고
does
하나는
electricity
여러 가지
production
응용
and
부분이
one
있어요. 이
does
응용
applied
부분 중에
research and this is the
방사선 응용
applied
부분이
research
있어요.
on radiation.
제가
So when I
입소할 때
joined
정도
this organization, which is this company,
때는 보면은
and there was the
원자력
division, which is the
병원도 이
department
방사선 응용
for
부분의
applied
하나의
research on radiation
공과였죠.
at the nuclear hospital.
평생 면역학을 연구했던 조성기 박사는
Dr. Zhou,
식품생명공학
who had
연구팀으로 옮긴 후
investigated and been the expert for this field, and he began researching all the different data and research papers for coming up with healthy functional food. Ultimately, the tissue is very important, and tissue inside of the tissue, the regeneration and remaking all the small cells is very important for the immunity in one's immune system. And when you look at it, when people with weakened immune function, and when patients take it, and you have to be very careful for all the bad types of within the product and all the things that can be harmful for the product and for the one's health. And what do you call it in the East? The old books don't use the word immunity, which is the immune system. The closest thing that has been recorded is the blood translation, blood circulation. It means that a part of the blood production. And blood production is the bigger part in diagram in the system of talking about and discussing and researching about the blood.
조혈 기능 회복,
After doing various
재생 조직을
experiments
보호해주는
about
수십 가지의 원료들을 찾아내
how to be
다양한 실험을
and how
진행한
to come
후
up with the
면역 기능에
products
도움을
that
주는
can be
세 가지
helpful
원료의
for
당귀,
immune system
천궁,
and
자력을
angelica
습득한
roots and other types of extraction
이후
forms.
을지대학병원에서
They
인체 적용 시험을
gathered
거쳐
together
면역 기능
and
개선에 효과가
they did all the
있음을
testing
입증했다.
experiments
국책
and
연구
the
과정,
result was very successful. For 8 years and
면역 기능 개선 제품
the
개발에
$8 million
성공한
was
원자력
invested
연구원,
in this type of
상용화를 목표로
product,
연구소
and they
기업
created the
기록을
first
탄생시켰다.
research laboratory company.
그전까지 전례가
in
없던
Korea.
일이었다. 또 원자력 연구원,
Also, the
식품생명공학
Nuclear
연구팀은
Research Institute
2006년
and the Food,
시작초로부터
the Ministry
면역
of
기능
Food and
개선
Drug
건강기능 식품
Safety,
원료로 처음으로
and
인정받게
they
된다.
had the recognized the certification, which is called the Individually Healthy Functional Food Recognition. And this is very important for the product and our company and the organization and employees and researchers that have been working together as a team. And we didn't have a guideline for a long time, but we started to work together and we came up with the guideline and all the different standards to be successful. And it was very difficult for a long time, and the result was very successful, and we're very happy about the results.
원자력 연구원 연구팀이
For this national
면역 기능
project,
개선에
a
도움을
team
줄 수
came up
있는
with this
제품을 개발하고
the better idea, and also this
연구소
product
기업을 통해
came
제품의
out
상용화에
and has been
앞장섰을
launching
뿐 아니라
for about 10 years, and you can see in this video, and this raw material function was recognized as the individual healthy functional food recognition. This is very special for the product and also the healthy functional the field. What's special is that this research has been conducted by the government and for the people. And this has to be beneficial for the taxpayers, which is the citizens in Korea, and also more people in overseas as well. This is very important, and it creates the win-win relationship.
원자력연구원에서 개발한 제품은
This product developed
현재도
by the
연구원에서
Nuclear
꾸준히 판매되고
Research Center, and this has
또
been
면역
selling
기능
for a
개선
long
제품
time,
개발
and
성공을
this
계기로
is very successful.
방사선 기술을 이용한
And
신약 개발
we
연구도
are
계속하고
using
있다.
the radiation technology, which is very special.
또 천연물의 유효
Using the effectiveness
방사선 융합
of
기술을 이용해
natural
항암 치료
materials
보조제
with
연구도
radiation
활발히 이루어지고 있다.
technology. On top of the radiation technology, they are using the anti-cancer technology as well. And you can see the $4.9 billion in the market. And compared to 2 years and last year, it has been increasing. And you can see the 8 out of 10 households purchased health products and healthy functional product as well. And accumulated sales is about $1.7 billion in the market. And this product has been number one for 7 years in a row because it helps improve the immune system. And with absolute quality and absolute price. A lot of people are giving us the positive feedback. A lot of people are using and consuming, not the patients and the people. And based on results for human needs, and it was recognized as the individually recognized healthy functional food. This is very special for the company and also in the field. The mixed angelica root extract and other types of extraction are composed of and increases the immune system, and animal experiments have shown that it increases the immune system. You can see the angelica root is in Gangwon province, and also the other types of extraction forms in Chungbuk, Daecheon, and also Jeonnam.
주 원료로 사용됐다.
And there are three main ingredients, natural ingredients. And you can see CEO Ham Sung Chu has been working in this field for over 35 years. And he is an expert in this field. And we interviewed Ham Sung Chu, and we took a look around his Angelica farm. They are cultivated, which is the Angelica, thoroughly from planting to processing and manufacturing to selling. And this is for the immune boosting foods. This is very important for consumers, and we're doing our best, and I'm doing my best to come up with the best products as we can. The Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute was able to come up with this product, and with absolute quality, not just that, absolute quality and price products. A lot of people are giving us the feedback, positive feedback. A lot of people are buying this in Korea and also in overseas as well. So far, products developed with Korea's unique system, and the producer has been able to follow the principle and the price. And you can see the patent paper. This is official paper. And just by looking at this paper, it's patented in various forms. Currently, the company holds a lot of patents, and you can see on the screen. And the patent in America, the patent in Malaysia, Japan, Singapore, Russia, the UK, and a lot of countries in Europe as well. And we are going to go to the global market, and we have 5 domestic patents and 3 overseas patents as well. The key patents are very important and for the anti-cancer and increasing the immune system and one's immunity. And also in addition to improving immune function and muscle development and fatigue relief. We patented this technology as well as the main raw ingredients based on the patent, the regulations, and the laws. And we include 3 overseas patents and 5 domestic patents in Korea. We're studying new possibilities, new ways, and new methods to find more consumers and to find more patients who are in need. And we are researching a lot of data and official paper and academic papers based on the Angelica roots and other raw materials and natural raw materials of extraction. And it's getting exported to the US, Russia, Europe, and China. Due to the global issues related to immunity, such as the COVID-19, the sales has been rising. In Mexico, people don't take as many healthy functional food compared to before COVID-19, but since COVID-19 happened and has been happening, more people have been taking nutrient supplements and natural ingredients as well. In particular, I got to know Korean products because I take a lot of products that are good for one's health based on technological process and the Korea Atomic Research Center, and we're working with the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, and we're gaining a lot of trust from consumers and in overseas as well. The global distribution companies' product philosophy proved that Korean healthy functional food are competing against the other types of food and overseas, the global brands healthy functional foods in overseas, and it is expected to have more sales in many fields and in many countries, and it will be introduced to even more countries and more regions as well.